Are you a real estate agent struggling with time management? Then this video is for you. I get a lot of questions from DMs to people contacting me across North America asking me how I'm managing my time and how I was able to close 6 deals and grow my team of 20 plus agents, manage 2 YouTube channels, multiple social media channels, launch a marketing agency while having a full-time job and 2 young babies and working real estate part-time. All this is because I was able to prioritize using scheduling and a time blocking technique. As many of you know, time blocking is a time management method dividing your day into blocks of time. Not only does time blocking help you manage your schedule, stay consistent, but it's also a productivity technique. And some of the way that I approach this is really starting from my business plan. And if you know me, I talk about this all the time, and it really starts with your goals. Once you have your SMART goals in place, now you're going to use this technique to work backwards, ensuring that you're going to slowly on a short-term level reach your long-term strategy. To start off, I do use an Excel spreadsheet, and if any of you are an agent and you're struggling with this, please get in touch with me and I'm happy to share my schedule with you. And using this Excel spreadsheets, I break out each of the column for 7 days of the week, and I have 5 columns, once for morning, afternoon, evening, as well as 2 columns at the end for my 2 social media accounts that I manage. Why this is so important is now my social media planner, because I do post regularly. As if you're following me on social media, you know that I put out content every single day. So I'm able to do this because I've integrated my social media planner and calendar directly into my time blocking schedule. And why this works for me is I love integrating my social media planner directly into my calendar so that everything's in one place, including my to-do list. One of the reasons why I'm able to do this effectively is because I use a number of different tools. All my checklists, depending on each of the projects and jobs, I have it all laid out in Asana, which is a project management tool. And I have the ability to assign tasks to people in my team, for example, my husband and other partners that I work with. And my business partner is based in Houston, Texas, so I work with him on a daily basis. And I'm able to do this because I have a to-do list that manages not only some of his workload as tasks, but also mine. And for my social media content, I use Hootsuite to plan out my social media content for a weekly and monthly basis. And if you're like me, I get sporadic ideas of things to post on social media, but I may not have to post them right away. So what I do is I put in a draft in the content planner within Hootsuite. And the most amazing part about all of this is all of these tools are free. I do have a very minimal design background using Photoshop and Illustrator. I wanted to make things simpler, so I used Canva to help me with smaller, detailed graphic creation. And if you're following us on social media, you notice that I also put out not only photos posts, but I also put out graphic content. Although I have experience using Photoshop and Illustrator, but it was time consuming for me. So it was really important that I had a tool that I was able to create content quickly and efficiently. And for that, I do use a pro account for Canva because I do have a design background and it was very limited in using the free account. And if you want to learn more about Canva, there is a link in my description that you can grab. And the next big tools that I use for my real estate business, which is the nucleus of everything that I do, and if you're in my group, you know that I talk about this often, and if you're following me on YouTube, you'll notice that I have tutorials that I do on a CRM called KV Core Platform. KV Core Platform is a 3-in-1 robust technology software, and this is a real estate technology to put your business on autopilot. And this tool was super important for me, not only because I had a lot going on, but I needed to manage my time and tasks for real estate separately. Because this is a 3-in-1 tool, it integrated my database, which is my CRM, the client relation management, was integrated directly into this. And the most amazing thing about this platform is that the ability to lead gen. Not only did this platform save me time from doing other lead generation strategy, but it helped a lot of things streamlined. From lead generating directly into my CRM to nurturing, which is one of the most important things about a customer journey, to converting the leads into clients. And with KV Core, I have the ability to automate a lot of things. From ads to day-to-day communications, from emails, I'm able to keep everything in one place. If you're someone who never heard of KV Core before, I do have a link in my description below. There you have it. These are some of the tools and strategies that I help to streamline and stay productive. And now not only does my time blocking schedule for my Excel document is integrated directly into my project management tool, but that's directly connected to my calendar. Although this may sound super complex, but honestly, this saved me a lot of time. I know one of the big things, a lot of moms have been reaching out to me, and I totally understand what it's like to manage multiple different priorities in your life. So feel free to get in touch with me and I'm happy to chat. And this is what I do on a daily basis with agents in my group. And if you're looking to partner with me and my group in order to have access to some of these tools, please feel free to get in touch. And if you're someone who wants to elevate your business and have access to some of these tools, please get in touch. We have everything from modern marketing strategies to mastermind calls, keeping you accountable, and everything you could think of in between. And once again, if you want to join my group at eXp Realty and to partner with me and to have access to my mentorship and training, have a look at the link in my description. Once again, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.